Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we're all about making technology work for you, simplifying your life one automation at a time. Today, we're diving into a topic I get asked about all the time. What is the very first automation a beginner should learn? There are so many options out there. It can feel a little overwhelming. Should you automate your social media, your smart home, your mail inbox? While all those are great, I believe the perfect starting point is something practical, something you'll use every day, and something that provides immediate value. And that, my friends, is creating your own personal appointment reminder system. Think about it. We all have appointments. Doctor's visits, client meetings, coffee with friends, parent-teacher conferences. How many times have you almost forgotten one? Or maybe you have a great calendar system, but you still wish you had that extra nudge, that little tap on the shoulder an hour before you need to leave. That's exactly what we're going to build today. This single automation will save you from the stress of last-minute scrambles and the embarrassment of missing important events. It's the perfect project because it's simple enough for a beginner to tackle, but powerful enough that you'll feel like a tech genius once it's up and running. Plus, the skills you learn here are foundational and can be applied to countless other automation projects down the road. So, if you're ready to take your first real step into the world of automation, you are in the right place. Let's get started. First things first, what tools do we need? The good news is, you probably already have everything. The core of our system will be your digital calendar. This could be Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, Outlook Calendar. It doesn't really matter which one you use. As long as it's a digital calendar, you can connect to other apps. The second piece of the puzzle is an automation platform. Now, this might sound intimidating, but it's just a tool that helps different apps talk to each other. For beginners, I highly recommend platforms like Make, formerly known as Integromat, or Zapier. Both have generous free plans that are more than enough for what we're building today. They use a visual, drag and drop interface, so you don't need to know how to code. It's like building with digital Legos. For this tutorial, I'll be using Google Calendar and Make, because I find their interface really intuitive for people just starting out. But the principles are exactly the same if you choose to use Zapier or a different calendar app. So, the first step is to sign up for a free account on Make.com. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard. Don't worry about all the buttons and options for now. We're going to create what's called a scenario. Think of a scenario as a single automated workflow or a recipe. It has a trigger, the event that starts the automation, and an action, the thing that happens as a result. In our case, the trigger will be an upcoming event in our Google Calendar. The action will be sending a notification to ourselves. It's that simple. When an event is about to start, send me a message. All right, let's build this thing. Inside Make, create a new scenario. You'll see a big plus sign. This is where we add our first module, our trigger. Search for Google Calendar and select it. Make will ask you to connect your Google account. Just follow the on-screen instructions to give it permission. Once connected, you'll need to choose the specific trigger. We want the one called Watch Events. This module will, as the name suggests, watch your calendar for new or updated events. But we don't want it to trigger for every single event right away. We want it to trigger for events that are about to happen. So, we'll configure the Watch Events module. Select the calendar you want to watch. For most of us, that's our primary calendar. Now, the magic part is setting the timing. We want it to look for events that start within a specific time frame. For example, you could set it to find all events starting in the next 65 minutes. Why 65 and not 60? It has a little pro tip to create a buffer and ensure you didn't accidentally miss an event that lands right on the hour mark. So, when this automation runs, it will ask Google Calendar, hey, are there any events starting in the next 65 minutes? If it finds one, it will grab all the information about that event, the title, the location, the start time, and move to the next step. You'll also set how often you want this check to happen. For an appointment reminder, running it every 15 minutes is a good balance. It's frequent enough to be timely without being excessive. Now that our trigger is set up, what do we want to happen when it finds an upcoming appointment? We want to receive a notification. This is our action. Make integrates with tons of services for this. You could get a simple push notification on your phone using the Make app itself, or you could get an email, a Slack message, or even a text message. Let's start with a really simple and effective one, a mobile push notification. Add another module by clicking the plus sign next to your calendar module. Search for Tools, and then select the Create a Notification option from the Make mobile app section. If you haven't already, download the Make app on your phone and log in. In this new notification module, you get to craft your message. And this is where it gets really cool. You can pull in the data from the calendar event. You'll see a box for the title and the body of the notification. When you click in these boxes, Make will show you all the information it grabbed from the Google Calendar module. You can select the event title, the start time, and the location. So you can create a message that says something like, "Reminder, you have event title starting at start time." You can even add the location if there is one. It's completely customizable. So, for a dentist appointment, your phone would buzz and show a notification saying, "Reminder, you have dentist checkup starting at 2:30 p.m. at 123 Main Street." How awesome is that? Once you've designed your message, you're basically done. Save your scenario and turn it on. That's it. Your personal, automated appointment reminder system is now live. Now, let's talk about taking this to the next level. A simple push notification is great, but what if you're a heavy user of a specific app like Slack or Discord? No problem. Instead of the mobile notification module, you could add a Slack module and have it send you a direct message. What if you want to notify your partner or a family member about an upcoming family event? You could add a filter that only proceeds if the event title contains the word family, and then use the Gmail or SMS module to send them a message. Here's another powerful idea. What if your appointment involves travel? You can make your reminder even smarter. After the calendar trigger, you could add a Google Maps module. You would feed the event location from your calendar into the Google Maps Get a Route module, with your home address as the starting point. This module can then calculate the current travel time, accounting for traffic. Then, in your notification, you could include the travel time. Your message could be, "Reminder, event title is at 2:30 p.m. It will take you approximately travel time to get there." This completely changes the game. It's no longer just a reminder, it's an actionable piece of information that helps you plan. The possibilities are truly endless, and it all starts with this simple trigger action setup. You can have filters, routers, and different services to build incredibly sophisticated workflows, all without writing a single line of code. My advice is to start with the basic calendar to notification setup we built today. Let it run for a week. See how it feels. Then, start thinking about how you can tweak it to fit your life perfectly. Maybe you want different types of alerts for work meetings versus personal appointments. You can do that by adding a filter. The key is to start simple, get that first win, and then iterate. You've just learned the fundamental building block of automation. This pattern of a trigger watching for something and an action doing something in response is at the heart of almost every automation you'll ever build. Congratulations, you've just built your very first, and arguably one of the most useful, automations. You've created a system that works for you in the background, making sure you're always prepared and on time. This is what automation is all about, reducing mental load and freeing up your brain power for more important things. If you followed along and built this today, let me know in the comments how it went. I'd love to hear about it. And if you have any questions or get stuck anywhere, drop a comment below, and I'll do my best to help you out. If you enjoyed this and want to see more practical automation guides just like this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.